out. Shut it out. Welcome to the show. We have a very special program. I'm Tim Taylor. Of course, this is my assistant, Al. I wish I could be Tim Taylor Borland. Like I said, we have a very special show today.
You mean you're not going to break anything, Tim?
Just your contract, fella. Last time, remember, we saw Janine Ray Heller play her saw.
That's right.
Oof. You ever seen Janine play her saw?
Yes, Tim, I've seen her saw.
So you say you saw her saw?
Yes, I saw her saw. So?
So now you're saying you saw her saw?
Not so. I've seen her saw.
I see. Well, enough of that nonsense. Anyway, after the show, we got a terrific letter from the guys at K&B Construction Company. Boy, were they pumped. They wrote me, and I was excited to see them, so I've invited them down here to Tool Time. And I want you all to give a big Tool Time welcome to the boys from K&B Construction, Bay City, Michigan, Rock, Dwayne, Pete, and Joe. Nice to have you back again.
Great to be back, Timmy. Listen, we were so inspired by Janine's performance on that saw, but next day we went out to the job site and just started listening to the sounds of the tools around us. We kept hearing the reverberation of steel on steel, sledgehammers cracking concrete, and jackhammers busting cement.
That was a veritable cacophony, culminating in a creative crescendo.
Timmy, it was amazing. Old Juke here whipped out his mouth harp, started playing along with those sounds. Musical magic was happening right there, way above the traffic.
You guys making music like that, it reminds me of a dithyramb, you know? A Greek thing where 50 guys get out naked and dance in a field. Yeah! You know what I mean.
Well, we don't have time for that, Tim. See, we only get an hour off for lunch.
Rock, what do you have for us?
Oh, well, Timmy, the guys and I have formed a band. I'll be playing the angle grinder and a 55-gallon drum.
Tim, I'm going to be on the galvanized piping chimes and also on the anvil.
Tim, I'll be on the trash can, the gas cans, and the wrench. In fact, Tim, I am the entire rhythm section.
And Timmy, the lovely Janine is back to fill in the melody.
Janine, thank you for returning to the show. Why don't you sit right here? Oh, God, my body's quivering right now just thinking about this. People like this built together to build a band that plays with only tools. I guess how we could call this heavy metal.
I don't think so, Tim. But I do find them riveting.
Hey, Timmy, you're going to love this. We wrote this one just for you. We call it the Ratchet Rhapsody.
Well, hell. Making their television debut right here on Tool Time, K&B and the boys and Janine. Rock, let's roll.
Pete! That would be me.